Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapUp here, back at it with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 1,202 in a row. Over 1,200 days straight buying $1 of Bitcoin, pretty crazy. Current Bitcoin price, $28,872, down about 4% today. Pretty much the same story as last week's video. Bitcoin kind of struggling on the dip, down 3.59% on the week, down 30% over the past month, and down 26% over the past year. You see, doesn't look too bad over the past year. Just a lot of sideways action for the most part, and a pretty heavy dip lately. And of course, if you look at the all-time chart, definitely going up and to the right. So in my opinion, not investment advice, now is a good time to keep dollar cost averaging. Just keep buying Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those are the main two coins that have proven themselves. So those are the ones to just continue to stack and stack and stack. I just watched this video by Pomp. You can definitely check him out. He's got some good stuff on Bitcoin. He's definitely like a full-on bull, just always bullish about Bitcoin. So gotta kind of watch out for that, but I think he has some very good information in his videos. And he was talking about this chart right here. Basically the retail investors, or the people that own 0.01 Bitcoin, which is currently about $288, continues to go up and to the right. So people continue to buy Bitcoin, these retail investors. So currently I think he said there's about 10 million wallets that hold 0.01 Bitcoin. I did the math, that's like 100,000 Bitcoin, which is about 0.47% of the supply. So not even 1%. So nothing major, but definitely nothing to just overlook. It's actually a big deal now and in the long run. And especially like what we've proven with this experiment, you want to just keep dollar cost averaging, just keep stacking little by little, and you'll get there. You'll get to your goals eventually. So I really like that video. Let's scroll down here, take a look at the news. Bill Gates doesn't invest in Bitcoin, says it does not add to society. That's probably the dumbest thing I've ever read. I mean, Bitcoin is like decentralized, transparent money and value, and government monies are just tanking and they're not transparent, and they can overprint them and do whatever they want with them, and it's not decentralized, and it's just a bad idea. So I don't know what Bill Gates is talking about. Bitcoin death cross data hints 43% drop due to Bitcoin price and bear market. So maybe further drops are coming, yes, but that's okay. We just keep buying. The problems with Bitcoin Magazine's Arculus partnership. Don't know much about that. Bitcoin Pizza Day merch. So Bitcoin Pizza Day is when some dude paid 10 Bitcoins or something to buy a pizza. And basically now it's just a meme. Thousands of Bit digital miners go offline after explosion fire in New York City facility. Nothing too crazy in the news, but that's okay. Bitcoin owned 0.09588,270 Bitcoin, just slowly accumulating from buying $1 each day. That comes to a total of $2,760 as of right now. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my face. It's going to give us our order details here, and tap confirm. Just like that, we've purchased one more dollar of Bitcoin. Tap done. You can scroll down and see our new balance. 0.09591639, almost to 0.096. And we know that 0.1 is going to be a major goal for this channel, a major milestone. So pretty cool, slowly working our way there. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $2,760 divided by 1,202 days equals a 2.29x on my investment. What that means for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, now I have $2.29. Definitely down a lot from the all-time highs, like when we were up here above 60K, but that's okay. Like I've said many times, I'm not an expert trader. I don't know exactly what's gonna happen. I can't predict these markets every day, so to trade them, it's pretty complicated. Maybe if you want to experiment in trading, you could have a dollar cost average wallet like this, then a separate wallet where you kind of try to buy low and sell high. But sometimes it's just more stressful than it's worth. I think some types of people are good at it and some types of people just get stressed out and anxiety. So the dollar cost average method is kind of easier and less stressful. Let's do the dollar gain. $2,765 minus 1,202 days equals $1,563. Not too bad. I got a couple extra things real quick today. Again, the Genesis Syncronauts, one of my favorite NFT projects. I think it's a solid, low risk buy. They're building an NFT marketplace, which will be out soon, and other decentralized DeFi and NFT products after that. So exciting stuff. Floor price 0.59 ETH. Nothing too crazy. It's about $1,200 as of right now. These are what they look like. They move around. There's some secret commands, so you can check out some of my other videos and find those. But yeah, love these. And depending on like the successes of the marketplace, the products that we build, you'll be able to earn with these as well. And just got in another first edition Shadowless Charizard, PSA 3 this time. Actually, let me just show you how to look this up. I'm going to psacard.com. So if you ever see one of these PSA graded cards in the case, then you can scroll down here and type in the cert number. So this one's going to be 64751205. Hit enter. It's going to pull up this exact card here so you can verify like this is a legit card and everything. There's the cert. They scan it so you can get high res images here. So Pokemon, Charizard Holo First Edition, PSA 3, and then we can click on these and get like bigger high-res images of it as well. So this is a really nice 3. Also notice that has a little bit of a hollow bleed. So like you can see this hollow pattern here, but hollow bleed basically means that it comes through this print and other areas of the card, which usually doesn't happen. So pretty rare there. There's a look at the back. Overall, it's a nice card. It's got some edge wear, some whitening on the back. That's the major issue with it. But overall, very nice looking card, nice eye appeal. And yeah, that'll do it for today's video. Just trying to enjoy crypto, keeping it simple with the tokens and things that have proven themselves over time, and enjoying the collecting and trading cards a little bit. So let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next one.